Okay guys, so you may be wondering why I look like this. It's because today in this video, I'm gonna become a gladiator. Alright, so you may be wondering like, you ain't got a horse. Well, we're gonna have to improvise, boys. We got the saddle. And we gonna be cooking something up today, boys. So hear me out, right? So, instead of that, this is our saddle, chat. This is our saddle, ready? Watch this, chat, watch this. Watch this, hold up. Watch this. This is our saddle. This is our horsey. Giddy up, horsey! Giddy up, horsey! Alright, but actually, we don't need the saddle. So we are gonna be working for the Spartan Empire. So let's just go in here. Sparta! My game crashed. Alright, there you go.
Blue
Sparta!
Give me my car keys! I don't think he did anymore, but I got
I'll kill you right now.
You don't know if I'm original again.
That's not the blue. That's not the blue. That's not the blue.
If you think about it,
For Sparta! For Sparta! For Sparta!
Sparta!
For
Sparta!
Sparta!
To become our friend. Yeah.
For the Spartan Empire!
Become my friend. Bad, you know, so I'm a legend channel.
For Sparta!
circle.
For Sparta! For Sparta! For Sparta! For Sparta!
Yeah, for Sparta!
For Sparta! For Sparta! For Sparta! For Sparta!
It's time for food, Johnny.
Sparta!
How did he get let off?
For Sparta!
A pistol? Time for food.
For Sparta! For Sparta! For Sparta! For Sparta!
Wait, I just joined the same server.
Run courses.
It was for Sparta. It's not my fault. It was for Sparta, chill. It was for Sparta. It was for Sparta.
It sure was for Sparta.
It was for Sparta, man. It was for Sparta.
I still have to kill you, sadly.
Why,
Trust
man?
me.
Just don't take my stuff, okay? Just don't take my stuff, okay?
Yeah, I know.
For Sparta, I die a warrior.
Oh, go against that rock.
And Sparta, I die a warrior.
Cause
Come back better than ever. For Sparta! For Sparta! Oh! Let's go! For Sparta!
Don't drop that. Red, why'd you drop it?
My problem. Lay the stuff where it was at.
For Sparta!
Red, why did you drop it? Okay, Red.
Hey, can I borrow one of your swords? Can I borrow one of your swords?
No, I can't. I'm sorry.
For Sparta! For Sparta! For Sparta! For Sparta!
Is that a red watch I see?
For Sparta! For Sparta!
Why are you red watch?
For Sparta!
Oh, hell no. If I kill you this time, I have to take your shield. It's part of the compensation rules.
What? But if I kill you, what do I get if I kill you?
You get an umbrella, I guess.
Damn! Oh, us. For Sparta! For Sparta! No!
Actually,
For Sparta!
not. Never mind. I changed it. You get nothing. But since
For
you died,
Sparta!
if I died twice, then you get something. But if you died twice, if I only die once, then you can't get anything.
For Sparta!
Oh, what the fuck? Remember the rules. If you kill me, you get nothing this first time.
Louie, can I add you and can we borrow that crate? Because me and my cousin know how to give you money.
Oh no,
I'm
My health
really
is
low.
chilling, bro. My health is chilling.
What? Your health is chilling?
Yeah,
Because
my health
mine is
ain't that
definitely
bad.
not.
My health is not that bad. Did I even hit you? Did I even hit you? For Sparta! Oh,
At least you followed the rules.
for Sparta!
His parents don't
Bro found out he
For
turned 50,
Sparta!
so bro found out he had a beard.
Sparta! Sparta! Assemble! Spartans!
Okay. I'm sorry, I had to take your shield for compensation now.
Why is
No,
it low?
no, no, my shit, no.
Red?
Brother, no,
I wonder why this is low budget. I wonder why this
That's what you
is low budget.
Screw this, man.
Guys, I wonder why this
For Sparta, you will not take any of my stuff. Do you understand?
Oh
Do you understand? Yeah, this is for Sparta, buddy. This is for Sparta.
Well then, where's your sword?
Where's my sword at, boy? Oh, you think you can hit me and get away with it, huh? You think you can hit me and get away with it, huh? No, get over here. Get over here.
I needed purple for some reason. He was a big
someone give me a
What's this free flashlight bag?
Put your bed jacket
I
in.
want a flashlight bag. I want a flashlight bag.
My body!
Here, it's a flashlight. Flashlight, give me.
Hunter Berry.
For Sparta! Oh!
Guys,
Give me my javelin!
I know I'm a little old.
Video.
I know how to play this game.
Red, give me a
I know how to
be in a
play this
YouTube
game.
video.
Wants to be in a YouTube.
Guys,
Run, I'm doing
Yo, guys, I don't think I think my sword is
Oh my god. Sparta.
I'm gonna look for it.
About time that I got your shield. I'm gonna lick your nutsack. Oh, thanks for the beer.
Who's been saying that? You're not getting my shield, boy.
And you're not getting your
This shield
sword.
that's passed down from my grandpappy. This shield that's passed down from my grandpappy. Ah,
That doesn't mean.
What do you
Moscow.
And let me see if you accepted
yo,
it.
yo, he's
Thank you, brother. Okay,
Where's my brother?
Go in any room. I had to check.
Moscow, America, America, boy. Surrender and I won't kill you. Surrender.
Okay, I'm fine.
Surrender to the allegiance of the United States. Hey, I'm not gonna shoot you. Surrender. Surrender to the Legion of the United States.
I'm not
Surrender.
gonna shoot you. Come down.
Surrender and I won't kill you. Surrender!
copy.
Surrender!
I see him.
Surrender! Surrender now!
Everybody kill Santa.
Surrender!
No, don't kill Santa. I always get
Oh, damn, big crowbar. I got you kill him now. Now I have a way to kill him.
I was shot in the back so many
No,
times.
now I have a way to kill
That
him.
shield
So,
saved me.
see you later.
And I hit.
Yo, I need to give you a peace treaty. I'll give you this OG iPad if you give me
I
my
am
stuff
the
back.
chosen one
Peace
for
treaty, I'll
the
give you this OG
shield.
iPad.
I am the
I'll give you the OG
chosen
iPad.
one. Actually?
Yup, for my
Fuck
stuff
yeah.
back. Alright.
We all place it right here.
I'm gonna.
Why'd you do that?
Now slowly turn. Slowly fucking turn, bro. Slowly fucking.
You missed.
You guys should
Oh, my
sit.
axe.
Imagine if
No, I have
Andrew
my
looked at her
shield.
face.
My shield! My grandpappy
I have my
shield!
OG iPad.
My grandpappy shield!
This was passed out for generations.
Thank you. That was a good peace treaty.
Oh, my sword!
Someone buy me a sword.
Could someone buy me a sword? Could someone buy me a sword,
No,
please?
don't give him it. Don't give him
Could someone buy me a
it.
sword, please?
I won't do anything to you. No, you already killed me. You'll react when there's no bull. Yo, you're back. Sorry, best friend. I got a little angry.
Buy me a sword.
For Sparta!
Sorry, best friend. I got a little angry
Buy me
here.
a sword.
And I couldn't kill you, but we gotta hunt him down again. What's the first
Yo.
grappler?
I thought I saw my sword over there.
None y'all say
I'm so sorry.
Grappler.
Okay.
For Sparta!
Somebody. No, stay right there. Right there.
hello.
Somebody catch it. Keep it.
Let's end the video.
3, 2,
This wasn't just a lesson of bravery, confidence, and determination.
Wait, no.
This was a assurance from my legion